So now that we have cleared the room, let's talk. Y'all, the comments are insane. But you know what? We're over it. We've passed it, washed our hands, and we are here to agree to disagree. And it's fine. I have my viewpoints. Everybody has their viewpoints. Even we have our viewpoints. But we are in our rest area. So you're like, Kelly, what the heck is that? We resting, girl. We are resting. We are chilling out. We're having a good time, and we are pouring into ourselves. It's all about us. So you say, Kelly, what does that look like? Oh, girl, let me tell you. I wrote it down. I didn't want to forget nothing. First, this rest era, what does it consist of? The first thing, I already mentioned it, pouring into yourself. What does that look like, Kelly? We got time. We got some time. We don't know how this is going to be looking, how this is going, but we got time. So now it's time for us to pour into ourselves, okay? So what's that look like? Pouring into yourself. Mindfulness, therapy, picking up a sport, picking up a hobby, all the things. I currently am in therapy. A lot of you do know. And welcome to the ladies who are new here. Welcome. I mean, I feel like I got like a new little run that came in from my last video. Thank you. Come on in. You're welcome. Pouring yourself, what does that look like? Making sure you are good on the inside. Sometimes we get so caught up on the outside individuals, and that's just camouflage. We got to make sure the inside is looking good. So making sure you are at peace, practicing mindfulness, all the things that we struggle with, it's time to put at the forefront of our life. Yes, you may sit and say, I know I do it too. I do those things. Do more. Do more. Make it a full-blown distraction from everything. It is time to pour into yourself. Okay, sounds good. Next thing, what else is a part of this rest area? Now, you don't want to be alone. So you got to find yourself some community. You know what I mean? Some like-minded folks who share the same thoughts and opinions, and they may not, but it'll be healthy. It's always good to have a healthy dialogue about something, because sometimes you can't have everybody the same. You don't want everybody to be the same. You need something in there to kind of shape things up. So find you some community that you can share like-minded thoughts with, grow with, bounce off, and have an amazing support system. Okay. The third one. Okay, we're just gonna do 3 for now, because we're gonna bring some more in later. This is just, me talking off the cuff here, just talking off the cuff. Focusing on your own mission. What do you mean, Kelly? This is the time for you to do all the things that you wanted to do. Okay, you want to be an advocate? Advocate for yourself. You want to start something? Start something for yourself. And all that energy that you put behind it, don't get behind the keyboard writing and responding back to people. Get behind the keyboard and filling out your LLC, filling out something for a grant, filling out for you to go back to school, depending on how that goes. We don't know yet. But it might be a certificate you might want to start. You might want to do a trade. You know what I mean? You might want to learn code. Whatever it might be. Whatever you want to do, this is the time to anchor down and do what is best for you. That's just my opinion, okay? My opinion. It could be, other things. But I really feel like this time is where, I don't want to say it like this, because it's not just coming to my mind right now. It's like, mind your business. Mind your business. It was so funny. I went out a little while ago, and I went to BJ's, and I wanted to, this sounds so sick. I wanted to go get some Starbucks, and I was like, no, Kelly, you don't need no damn Starbucks. You could barely drink coffee now. You cannot. But sometimes you get like an evil spirit in you. Sometimes you gotta fight it. And that was one of my moments where I felt like I needed to be evil. And I can call myself out on that, because sometimes you just feel some kind of way and you just can't control it. But I did promise that I wasn't going to talk about this no more. But we're focusing on us as women. And we're focusing on the things that we can do to make things better for us. Sometimes we have to take a step back in order to kind of evaluate the situation to see how we can best serve ourselves, if you will. If you hear all that hacking, that's Princess. She is in there giving us the business with the hacking. She's an old woman, okay? And she just do whatever she want to do, you know. When you get to a certain age in life, you just say what you want to say, do what you want to do. That's her. That's her. That's her. But ladies, I want to say thank you again. I appreciate you. I'm just going to keep this going. I am enjoying just having good conversation like this. This is giving, just picking it up and giving it and talking about it. But let me know, what are some things that you're going to do in your rest era? Some things that you want to implement to serve yourself. What are you going to do? So let me know. Let's keep the conversation going.